Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to the Parker Store. I'd like to talk to you about something that could make a big difference to your operation, especially if it's something you haven't considered. I want to talk to you about hose guards and sleeves. Yeah, you were hoping I was going to say that, right? Well, maybe it'll never make the top 10 most interesting topics list, but believe me, depending on your hose application, if things go wrong, it'll get very interesting very fast. Does your application cause excessive hose abrasion, pressure spikes, kinking, or deep cuts? Well, we understand how these issues happen and how to prevent them. And if there's a way your hose or hose application could be made more secure and safe, Parker has a product for it. First off, I want to show you these Partec Defense sleeves. These are for any hose application where operators are in close proximity to high pressure hoses, like construction, agriculture, or mining. They provide protection to personnel and equipment in the event of a hose burst. They actually contain the energy of the burst up to 12,000 psi. They're flexible, with specially coated fibers to protect against deterioration from sunlight, ozone, and other elements. While the Partec Defense helps protect equipment operators, additional products in the Parker Partec line offer protection specifically for the hose, including abrasion, cuts, and kinks. First, the Partec Wrap. Besides the abrasion resistance this nylon wrapping provides, it allows you to bundle multiple hoses together on site, making it easy to install if your hose assemblies are already in place. Need a guard that can withstand greater than 200,000 abrasion cycles? Partec Nylon Protective Sleeving not only provides extra tough abrasion protection greater than 200,000 cycles, with its unique construction it can do so without wearing through the fabric. And it's effective in all climates, with an ambient temperature range from 60 below zero to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It has an exceptionally smooth interior wall, allowing a rubber hose to move freely inside the sleeve. It's lightweight, very flexible, and super easy to install. From nylon to heavy-duty polyethylene, these PolyGuard and Parcoil accessories are built to handle rugged conditions, ideal for bundling plastic tubing or hose lines. They'll shield your hoses from abrasions and cuts, minimize kinking, and resist most solvents, including water, oil, gasoline, and hydraulic fluid, without rusting or corroding. Also built to handle rugged conditions, the Parker Spring Guard and Armor Guard. Both prolong the life of hose lines that are exposed to these operating conditions. They distribute bending radii to avoid kinking in hose lines and protect hoses from abrasion and deep cuts. This is the Parker Hose Whip Restraint System, designed for hoses in high pressure applications. In the event that a hose separates from its fitting, this system is designed to prevent the violent whipping of a pressurized hose, which can cause damage to equipment or any people who happen to be nearby. Trust us, you don't want anyone near a whipping hose. There are two types of cable assemblies available, one for flange type connections, the other for port adapters. The Parker Fire Sleeve is a flame-resistant sheath that protects the hose from extreme temperature conditions. Fire Sleeve easily slides over hoses, and it can be assembled with a Parker FSC or a properly sized worm gear clamp. The Parker CL clamp provides hose support where long lengths are used. It gives you neater installation of hose lines, minimizes hose chafing, and prevents damage to the hose. And our HC clamp is a stainless steel worm gear clamp designed for low pressure industrial hose applications. Ever have issues with hoses rubbing against other hoses, metal or concrete? Parker Hose Protection Shields can help prevent hose abrasion and extend hose life in these conditions. These flexible protectors simply clamp around the hose and are securely held in place by nylon cable ties. By the way, you don't need to disconnect a line to install a Parker Hose Protector Shield the way you do with a continuous tubular sleeve. Just wait until the installation is up and running to see exactly where the contact needs to be prevented. Hose protector shields are a fast and extremely cost-effective way to isolate fluid lines from direct contact with other lines, components, or structural members. So there you are. Lots of ways your local Parker store can help you get more life out of your hoses. Of course, if you have any questions about any of the Parker hose guard and accessory products we've mentioned here, ask your Parker store professional.